there's more protein than really needs to be. So I'm gonna mix a bag of corn in there, probably still do the 30-06 just for minerals, and then we'll kind of see where we're at, okay? The easy bag open. They give a little tab here, you pull that, and it goes, you know, it's supposed to be easy. I never pull it all the way off, because if I do, no doubt this piece is going to end up somewhere out there, and I don't want that. It smells just like cherries. As you probably saw by the ride, I have some bush hogging to do to get some more trails going. So tomorrow's gonna be a fun day. Gonna get the tractor out, gonna bush hog the food plot, some trails up here on top of that hill. Likely just get some areas where the little guy and I can ride four-wheelers and not have all of that hay coming in your face. Because you can see, it doesn't take long to be covered in it. So anyway, not much work today. Got a little bit of work done, but tomorrow will be another day. Looking forward to it. Some of the things I check when I'm hooking up a bush hog. One is the PTO shaft aligned with that drawbar. So I'm a little cockeyed. That's okay, I had the rototiller on here, and sometimes those things, they want to bounce around a little bit, and it's okay to let them do that. Second thing, I check to make sure both of my bushings are locked in. The top link is secure. This thing's fine. That's all good. Kind of look around the tractor, make sure there's no damage or issues or leaks or weird things. I want to make sure that, actually, this is why you walk around. These things were never in here secure, so this bucket's not even attached. That could have been a problem. All right, so that took 2 minutes and 43 seconds to make sure it's aligned. It's never gonna be perfect. This is a rotary cutter, it's a bush hog, it's a slasher, whatever you wanna call it. It's really meant for doing trauma. I mean, these things are bad machines. And more than anything, again, I just want you to see that the PTO shaft is lined up with the drawbar. That's what I'm looking to do. I'm cutting trails here. I'm not mowing somebody's yard or mowing my own driveway, so mowing my driveway. All right, let's go get some work done. Now that was an amazing day. I've been told we have dinner in 30 minutes and I need to get a shower, I need to shave, I need to smell better, and we're getting ready for some awesome calico beans. Yeah, my little buddy. Shower time.